They're lying to you. Most of what you hear about making money online is complete garbage. Start dropshipping with zero money. Copy-paste AI text and make passive income. Just sell a course, even if you've never done the thing. It sounds good, but it doesn't work. Here's the truth. There's only one real way to make money online. And the world's richest people all use it, even if they play the game at a higher level. You solve a real problem, for real people, at scale. That's it. That's the formula. And it works every single time. Let's break it down. Step 1. Learn a skill. Jeff Bezos didn't start with billions. He started by learning systems and building infrastructure. He solved one problem: how to sell and ship books online faster than anyone else. Then he scaled that same skill into everything. Elon Musk didn't launch rockets from day one. He learned coding, built Zip2, solved a problem for online city directories, and sold it for $307 million. Then came PayPal, then Tesla, then SpaceX. You don't need to be a genius. You need to master one high-value skill. Copywriting, video editing, paid ads, funnels, sales, automation, AI integration. Whatever solves a real business pain, learn it. No one will pay you just to hustle. They will pay you to fix what's costing them time or money. Step 2. Turn that skill into a clear offer. Skills are invisible. Offers make you money. Mark Cuban said it best. Don't sell products, solve problems. Don't say, I do marketing. Say, I help coaches get 15 leads a week using TikTok ads. Don't say, I do websites. Say, I build landing pages that turn clicks into clients. Millionaires and billionaires don't throw money at vague ideas. They invest in specific outcomes. Take your skill, attach a clear result, put a price on it. Now it's an offer. Step 3. Get that offer in front of real people. Elon Musk didn't wait for Tesla to go viral. He took pre-orders. He talked directly to early adopters. He sold before the product was even built. You don't need 10,000 followers. You need 5 conversations. Cold email, cold DMS, job boards, Reddit, LinkedIn, freelance sites, anywhere people are already asking for help. Most people hide behind content. Real players make connections. Money loves speed, not perfection. Step 4. Deliver results. Like it's life or death, Jeff Bezos said, obsess over the customer. That's what built Amazon. Your first few clients are everything. Do what it takes to make them win. Over-deliver. Follow up. Fix things fast. Be unforgettable. Document every win. Turn it into proof. Case studies, screenshots, testimonials. Results build trust, and trust builds income. Step 5. Repeat, raise, and scale. Once it works, you don't need to change the playbook. You run it again. Then you raise your price, then you get better clients, then you build systems. This is how every billionaire operates. Refine the system. Cut what doesn't work. Scale what does. First, it's just you. Then it's a process. Then it's a business. Then it's freedom. The harsh truth. Most people avoid. Most people chase trends. Billionaires chase problems. You don't need 10 income streams. You don't need to go viral. You need one valuable skill, one clear offer, one yes from someone who needs it. Then you do it again and again. That's how real online money is made. You think Bezos made billions selling books? He made billions by solving speed, convenience, and scale. You think Musk made billions on cars? He made billions by solving energy, transportation, and belief. You think Cuban got rich buying sports teams? He got rich selling a company that streamed audio on the internet in the 90s. Different paths, same principle. Solve a real problem for real people at scale. Everything else? Noise. This is Mikiflow, and this isn't a shortcut. It's the real road. Let's build something that lasts.